What is up guys, Julien here of Social Vignerons. Welcome back to another wine video. So this is a video to illustrate how to open a bottle of wine without a corkscrew when you don't have a corkscrew hanging around the house, but you do want to enjoy your bottle of wine with your friends still, and enjoy your fine nice bottle of wine, but you don't have a corkscrew. So in my last video, episode 13 of Julien's Wine School, so by the way, if you're new here, this is a wine school where we explore and learn about wine, but I thought I would do this little series exploring wine hacks on how to open a bottle of wine different ways and finding out which way is best if you don't have a corkscrew around. So yesterday I tried to open this bottle of wine with this lighter, and I took about I tried for 5 or 10 minutes and it didn't work. So today I thought I was going to try to open that bottle of wine with a screw, a simple screw and pliers. Well, I am going to be needing a corkscrew as well for this. I think the theory goes that you want to screw that screw inside the cork in a bit of an angle, because if you screw it straight, well, there's a good chance that the cork crumbles and that your screw comes out of the cork and it doesn't really work. So the theory goes that you want to screw your screw in a bit of an angle. You do want a bit of a longer screw, is my understanding. If your screw is a little too short, well, again, there's a little chance that it doesn't work and that your screw is you're just going to pull off your screw. See, another demonstration of how bad it is to try to use a lighter. I definitely do not recommend. Have a look at this video where I try to use this lighter and how it just doesn't work. So I definitely do not recommend. It's dirty, it's dangerous, and it's not really good. So lighter is not a good option. I will try to demonstrate it with a blowtorch and that might work a little bit better, but let's get into screwing this screw inside this cork. Here it goes. Yeah, that should do. And now, well, I guess the theory is that you just want to pull that cork. See how it's coming out ever so nicely. It's actually pretty easy. Well, given you have a little bit of strength to do this. I hope I don't splash the wine everywhere. I'm going to go a little gentle here, and voila, here it goes. That's actually a really simple, easy, fast hack. You're not damaging the wine with your lighter, burning the wine or anything. It's pretty much as simple as using a corkscrew. So yeah, this is thumbs up. This works really well. I also did a video on how to open a bottle of wine with a shoe, and that's another option if you don't have those tools on hand. Just use a shoe, and I'll link to this video here and at the end. And that was me for today. I was sad yesterday because I couldn't open and enjoy this nice bottle of wine, but now I can. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more and more. If you're interested in wine, well, I share as a winemaker the knowledge and the passion that I have about wine, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. I will be trying different hacks as well, and doing some more fun stuff around wine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Cheers, salut.